Lenovo laptop. The Lenovo V15 Gen 4 is a business laptop designed to meet the needs of professionals seeking a reliable and efficient computing solution. Here's a detailed overview of this laptop. Design and display. The Lenovo V15 Gen 4 boasts a sleek, professional appearance with its black chassis, making it an ideal choice for business environments. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen that provides sharp and clear visuals, perfect for working on documents, presentations, and browsing the web. The display is designed to reduce eye strain during long working hours. Performance. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor. This 6-core processor is capable of handling a variety of tasks, from basic computing needs to more demanding applications, making it a versatile choice for business users. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, it offers smooth multitasking and quick access to frequently used files and applications. Storage. For storage, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 comes equipped with a 512 GB SSD, providing ample space for your files, applications, and data. SSDs are known for their fast read and write speeds, which significantly improve boot times and the overall performance of the laptop. The Lenovo V15 Gen 4 business laptop is a solid choice for professionals who need a reliable, high-performing laptop. Its combination of a powerful AMD Ryzen processor, ample RAM and storage, and business-centric features like Windows 11 Pro make it well-suited for a wide range of business applications. Whether you're working from home, the office, or on the go, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 offers the performance and features you need to stay productive.